If you've been wanting to learn more about variable fonts but have been too scared to enter the fray, this is the course for you. With a quick 3 modules and 9 lessons, in an afternoon you can have a better understanding of not only what variable fonts are, but how you can make them, what you could use them to do, and thinking through all the combinations and permutations of things that you might be able to make. For me, the variable font format is so exciting and so interesting, and I want to share that with you. So join the class today and let's start learning the variable font principles.